Today I'm installing the aFe Control Strut Braces on my 2020 GR Supra. The strut braces are laser-cut 14-gauge steel and have a TIG-welded I-beam design. They come with grade 5 burnt blue titanium mounting bolts, have a durable textured red powder coat, and are proudly made in the USA. If you have a 2021 or newer Supra to install the aFe strut braces, you simply remove the stock strut braces and install the aFe strut braces in their place. If you have a 2020 model year, it's a little different, since the 2020 did not have strut braces from the factory. To install the strut braces on a 2021 or newer, you'll need a 12mm socket, an E14 socket, and a torque wrench. Use the E14 socket to remove the stock bolts and the stock strut braces. Place the aFe control braces in the correct orientation and install all 4 of the supplied M10 bolts with washers. Torque down the bolts to 30 foot-pounds using a 12mm socket, and you're done. For a 2020 model year, you'll need a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket, a torque wrench, and some super glue. The upper mounting holes on the 2020 are not threaded like the 2021 or newer models, so there are 2 ways to complete this install. The first method is to tap the factory unthreaded hole using a M10 1.5 tap, and then install the brace using the larger M10 titanium hardware. The second method is to use the supplied M8 1.25 by 50mm titanium bolt that passes through the factory unthreaded hole. I chose the second method. If you're able to lift the front end so the front wheels hang down, it makes the install easier. I didn't have a way to lift the front end, so my install was a bit more difficult. I'm going to start on the driver's side. Park the car on a level surface and turn the wheel all the way to the right. By turning the wheel, it gives just enough room to get access to the upper bolt location inside the wheel well. Place the aFe control strut braces in the correct orientation and install the M10 bolts in the front by hand at first. Insert the M8 bolt through the upper mounting hole, then reach into the wheel well and secure the nut and washer onto the bolt. If you don't lift the front end, you will only be able to fit one arm in the wheel well. And when you reach in, you will not be able to see what you're doing, so you'll have to secure the nut by touch only. Pro tip: super glue the washer to the nut before installing so you can secure the washer and the nut at the same time. Once the washer and nut are hand-tight on the M8 bolt, you can use a socket on the nut to hold it in place while you tighten the M8 bolt to 18 foot-pounds. To finish the install, tighten the M10 bolt to 30 foot-pounds.